Dear partners, Namaste. As we look forward to the new year, after what has been one of the most challenging years that many of us have ever experienced, I wanted to take this opportunity to sincerely thank you all for your effort, determination, and resilience. The COVID-19 pandemic and the nationwide lockdown, no doubt, was a unique and challenging situation for all of us, professionally and personally. It has tested the mettle of every large conglomerate and leader the world over. We at Ashok Leyland reached out to stranded drivers, frontline workers, and communities to support them during these unprecedented times. You, our partners, also left no stone unturned to support our customers. We value your passion and acknowledge your unrelenting support. As a business, it has been a year of change, adaptation, and innovation, and we've taken far-reaching decisions to address the impact of the pandemic and the economic slowdown that ensued. But at Ashok Leyland, our family, all of you, the true spirit of Aapki Jeet Hamari Jeet was evident even during these tough times. Your constant support has reaffirmed our collective faith in Ashok Leyland as we strive towards our vision of being a top 10 global commercial vehicle player. The pandemic has taught us many lessons and enabled us to adapt and build opportunities for the new normal. It has also been a lesson in humility and reflection and has reiterated the need to live in harmony with nature. The three pillars of ESG, environmental, social, and governance, will be a cornerstone of all our business processes going forward, as they contribute towards making the world a better, healthier, greener, and happier place for all of us. I'm confident and optimistic about the future. There is a significant demand and enough headroom to grow for all sectors of the economy. The commercial vehicle industry is core to the economy and the backbone of logistics, infrastructure, and public transportation. Even during the lockdown, we continued to build capabilities for future growth and successfully launched the modular Avtar truck platform, the next-gen Bada Dost LCV platform, and the Boss LELX range of ICV trucks. These have all been very well accepted by our customers. Our Digital Next solution is another example where we integrated our entire ecosystem under one platform to support our stakeholders. And now, as we see the green shoots of growth returning, we are very well placed to ride the wave going forward. We are continually reimagining ourselves, adopting modern-day practices to move the needle of growth and sustainability. To succeed in this exciting new world, our brand will serve as the key differentiator. We are committed to developing reliable and world-class quality products that would not only bear the name of Ashok Leyland, but also the insignia of Made in India. With your commitment and partnership, we will enhance our service offerings and our network capabilities to provide optimal reach and convenience to our valued partners. Our Prime Minister has made a clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, a vision to compete with the best in the world and make in India, make for the world. As a leader in the industry, we are committed to strengthen India's position as an integral part of the global supply chain. With the transition to BS6 emission norms, the Indian auto industry is at par with the most developed countries in the world. This gives us confidence to take the lead in technology for a global play. Going forward, we will focus on electric mobility and customer solutions to provide sustainable mobility solutions for the world. I am really excited about the journey ahead and confident that we will weather the storm and come out stronger with a larger share of the commercial vehicle market. With our technology-backed products and your commitment, we can truly do wonders and become the preferred choice for our customers. I would like to wish you and your family members and your employees a very happy, healthy, and successful new year. Thank you very much.